Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Beldex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Beldex account, firstly open your Beldex application. Enter your PIN code. The official page of Beldex will appear on the screen. Tap on Use Existing Wallet. You will need to choose one of the options among Restore from Seed or Restore from Keys. Click on one of the options. Choose a seed language and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your wallet name, address, view key, spend key, block height restore number, or you can even enter restore data as well. Then click on Restore. You will be logged into your Beldex account in no time. This is how you can log into your Beldex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.